Hello everyone. The point of sale bank charges module helps to add in bank charges in the point of sale order payment. So for that we need to get into end point of sale. Now let's complete the configurations part. So under configurations we need to get into end payment method where you can see the bank. So from here you can see I have added the bank and also I have added the journal as a bank. Give the outstanding account and also an intermediary account. And once you have enabled and point of sale charges, you can see the following fields like there we can add and percentage like type and as well as the amount. Okay, and also we need to give and bank charge product. So here I have created one product. Let's get into that where I have added the product type as service. Okay, and we need to remove all the sales price, cost price. If we add any customer taxes, we need to remove that one too. And we need to enable this available in point of sale, and also we need to add an receivable and payable accounts right away here. So once this configuration is done, now let's get into end point of sale. Now in the point of sale screen, let's add an product. Let's choose the customer here. Now we need to do the payment by using the bank. Now you can see that the total bank charges will be 3.86 from the due amount 192.90. Okay. Now let's validate it. Now in the receipt user can see and bank charges will be automatically added. Now like the same way let's get into the backend. Now from the backend let's get into the order, and this is the order that we have placed. Where you can see in the order line we can see the bank, it will automatically add as an order line. Okay, and also in the journals here you can see the journal entry, and also you can see that bank charges will be automatically affected in the journal entries too. In this way we can make use of this module to add and bank charges in the point of sale order payment. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.